What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I got something very rare and very unique. This is US Army Field Ration CB unit. The date mark 3/1942. And there is what contains in here. But instead of reading it, let's see what's inside. Also it says key is included in the back of it. That's missing, the key, but that's the only piece that we are missing, so that's okay. All you have to do is pull on this tab. So let's zoom in on it and open it up. So this is a 77-year-old time capsule, have not been opened in so long. The key would have been looking like that, but it have fell off. I got it off from the other MRE. And how you would open it is stick a key into here, and looks like you just got twisted this way. And twist and turn. Wow, look at that. I love this easy way to open cans. They're so much fun to open it. I can't believe it. By the way guys, on eBay it was on auction. I ended up paying $300. There was a lot of bidders for this can. So as you can see, they go pretty expensive. Okay. Wow, so this is amazing. This is MRE inside of the can. Most people would assume, like I would assume, there is just meat inside of it. But no, this is actual MRE inside of it. There's a little can of some sort. It looks like have exploded a little bit and leaked out from the heat. Oh, no way. The key is inside here. Why is the key inside of the can? How am I supposed to open it? I guess you crack it open a little bit or something. I have no idea how and why. Maybe for the next can you open up one and then you'll have a key. I don't know. But there is a candy, hard candy, 77-year-old candy. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. They look like sugar candy. Wow, this is history right here. Dominion American Sugar Refining Company. Wow, how cool is that? Looks like we have this 3 sugar cubes. And then we have a little cookie inside there. I'm gonna open it and take it out very slowly. No way, it's staying intact. Beautiful. So you get a cookie. World War II, amazing. Then there's a little second cookie. Come on, focus. There's a second and a third cookie. Wow, they stayed intact. I can't believe it. And there's a fourth cookie and fifth cookie. So you get 5 cookies. That is amazing. Oh, you know what? Maybe this key is for this can. Maybe, maybe not. But we'll find out. Everything smells a little bit stale. For 77-year-olds, I would assume it would smell way worse. So I wanna open this right here. But you know what? Let's open up a candy first. Wow, that plastic just breaks apart easily. This is a little ball candy, and all that plastic don't wanna come off. Let me try another one. Oh, that one is melted for sure. Yeah, this plastic have melted into it, but Charamas. This is their brand of the candy. This is really hard to open them. I wonder if any of them will open. This is just so cool. Anyways, obviously they saw all the plastic won't come off of them. This one did the best. So you have like one of those ball candies. Awesome. That's fancy. And then, especially in 1942, World War II, that's a fancy MRE. 77 years ago. That's crazy. That's such a cool idea. That sugar stays together pretty good too. Boom. Okay, let me figure out how to open this. Maybe I'll just use a knife or something. I really want to see what it is I have no idea. I didn't do much of a research because I really want it to be like a surprise. Just open it and find out for myself. There you go. Pry it open very, very slowly. I guess World War II you'd have a knife or some sort to pry this open. I don't know how they would do it, but there you go. Whoa! What is that? This just smells like coffee. I spilled a lot of it, but let's pour some in there. Let's boil some water and let's see if it's going to turn into coffee. Definitely did not expect to see coffee in a can like that. I know I have made a huge mess, but I cleaned it up now. So this is what your World War II 1942 MRE would look like. 5 crackers, a can of coffee, instant coffee, or they call it suitable, 5 candies, and 3 pieces of sugar. I got here hot water. You would probably have a canteen, but if you don't, you could use this to make coffee from. And then we can mix it up. That is definitely a very dark coffee right there. Of course, it's pretty old. There you go, there's some of them I don't mix in as good because it's just so old, and sugar as well, mixing very slowly, but by the sugar you can tell. So you got right here coffee and the crackers. What an amazing ration. Again, you gotta remember, this is World War II, and you would have a can of bunch of little stuff inside of a small can. So cool. So you can dip a cracker in there or a cookie, and as you can see, it's getting soft. So amazing. Obviously I would not eat any of that, but yeah, what do you guys think? Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about this video? This is mind-blowing. I really love this MRE, one of a kind, that's for sure. So worth the money that I paid. Hopefully there is a lot of them still left, so it's not a big deal that I opened this one. This coffee turned really black. Like, that's insane how black that is. But that's amazing. So, of course, make sure you thumbs up this video. It is pretty expensive to buy all these things. So if you support me by liking all these videos, I'm gonna continue filming this very unique MREs. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.